my name is James Hoffey. Today we'll be going over how to prep and apply Roof Loc. Roof Loc is a clear water-based sealer for concrete, cement, and clay roof tiles. Roof Loc is ideal for roofs that show signs of fading, delivering an enhanced semi-gloss finish while resisting UV damage, mold, and algae growth. Before application, it's crucial to ensure the surface is clean and free of all contaminants that could impact adhesion. We recommend cleaning with Surface Logic's Surfactant. Surfactant is a foaming, eco-friendly cleaning detergent that is chlorine stable. Thoroughly rinse the roof before application. Roof Loc allows for same-day sealing, even on damp surfaces. Roof Loc is a two-part formula, consisting of a Part A and a Part B that must be mixed. Once combined, thoroughly mix for 3 to 5 minutes. After Part A and B have been combined, separate the mixture into another bucket with equal amounts. From there, we will add water at a 1-to-1 ratio. Roof Loc can be applied with an airless sprayer, spraying 3 to 5 inches and overlapping each pass. Always apply evenly and maintain a working wet edge. 1 coat is recommended. Roof Loc is dry to the touch in 2 to 6 hours and fully cured at 48 to 72 hours. And there you have it. Roof Loc is applied and this roof is protected for 3 to 5 years. If you have any questions about Roof Loc or any of our other products, please reach out to us.